Imagine waking up one day and finding out that the platform storing world's most important code, GitHub, just got hacked. Not a small breach, we are talking about 3,800 internal repositories stolen. And the scariest part, the hackers didn't use some advanced zero-day exploit, they used a tool that you probably have installed on your computer right now. GitHub is the backbone of modern software development. Over 100 million developers use it. Fortune 500 company stores their most sensitive code there. It's owned by a Microsoft company. If the GitHub has a bad day, the entire tech world feels it. So, when news broke on May 19, 2026 that the GitHub had been breached, the internet went into full panic mode. Here's exactly how it went down. A GitHub employee, just doing their regular work, installed what looked like a complete normal Visual Studio Code extension. You know those little plugins that make coding easier. Themes, linters, formatters, developers installed dozens of them without thinking twice. But this one was poisoned. It had hidden malware inside it. Once installed, the attacker gained access to that employee's machine, and from there they tunneled deep into GitHub's internal systems, pulling data from 3,800 private repositories containing GitHub's own source code. The group behind this, they call themselves TeamPCP. After stealing the data, they didn't just sit on it, they went straight to a dark web cybercrime forum called Breached and listed GitHub's source code for sale. The asking price, a minimum of $50,000 to a single buyer, and they added a threat: if nobody buys, they will dump everything publicly for free. GitHub confirmed the breach and moved fast. They removed the malicious VS Code extension, isolated the compromised employee's laptop, and immediately began rotating all critical secrets and credentials. The good news, and this is important, GitHub said there is no evidence that any customer data was affected. Your repositories, your code, your enterprise data reportedly safe. But here's the thing, GitHub's own internal source code being out there in the wild is still a massive problem. This attack has a name. It's called supply chain attack. Hackers didn't break GitHub's walls directly. They went through a trusted third-party tool to sneak in through the back door. And this isn't the first time. Back in 2025, a popular GitHub action tool called TJ Actions changed files was compromised, putting over 23,000 open source projects at risk. The pattern is clear. Hackers are no longer targeting companies head on, they are targeting the tools developers blindly trust every day. GitHub got hacked not because of a sophisticated cyber weapon, but because of one employee, one extension, and one moment of trust. And that should make every single developer stop and think. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be bringing more updates on tech, AI, and I will be also building a more cool stuffs using my software development knowledge. You can go to my channel and check out. See you in the next video. Peace.